Hey everyone, welcome back. Just thought I might do a quick update on the Bathurst Torana GDR. We're sort of coming towards the end of it now. A lot of the polishing's been done, interior's been cleaned. So overall the car looks, it's presentable now. I found that obviously now that we've polished it, we can see a few dents and stuff like that. I mean, and obviously that's expected, but we just think we can probably smooth those out as well, just for the overall appearance of the car. Just help, I think, to make it, tidy up a bit better. Obviously it's got its patina, but those things there, if we can fix them and make them look better, that's what we're going to do. So we still need to do the wheels. That one doesn't look too bad. Back one's probably a bit worse. So the next phase is we have the dent guy come out and smooth those out. And in the meantime, I'm going to try and do the wheels myself. And I've got a few things in mind to try and get them up. So this one here, we'll just show you overall where we're at, the inside. And just keep watching and stick around to see the final product. Hopefully engine and running gear goes back in a couple of weeks time after we've done it, and we'll get it back for its final polish and fitment and overall presentation. So I'm looking forward to it. But it's probably part two of if you haven't seen part one, I'll drop the link down in the description, and you can see how we started, obviously, with this car. It's come a long way. So you sort of, when you're doing these jobs, you forget where they come from. So do yourself a favour and have a look at that and see what we're doing here. Cheers, guys. Bye.